Welcome to Mexican Food by Laura. My name is Laura, amigos, and I'm gonna teach you how to cook healthy Mexican food. Recipes for all the parents that are looking for the children to learn how to eat vegetables and fruits since they are little, and all my recipes are special for people with high cholesterol, diabetes, or with any health problem. Well, this is gonna help you a lot. So today we're making un arroz primavera de cauliflower. This is a cauliflower rice and it's super easy to make. Ready in less than 10 minutes, so let's start. For this recipe you will need 4 cups of grated cauliflower, or you can use the frozen cauliflower rice. 1 cup of mixed vegetables. I recommend the ones that come frozen, but you can always use the can of mixed vegetables. 1/4 cup of chopped onion, half a teaspoon of minced garlic, 1.5 teaspoons of butter, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Place a pot over a medium heat and allow it to heat up. Add 1.5 tablespoons of butter and let it melt. Add 1/4 cup chopped onion and a half teaspoon minced garlic, and once they change color, add the grated cauliflower. Mix and allow it to cook. You have to be stirring from time to time for around 4 to 5 minutes. Add the pre-cooked vegetables. It is important that if you are using frozen mixed vegetables, they need to be unfrozen when you add them to the cauliflower. And mix again. Allow them to catch the heat. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the bell so you can receive a notification direct into your cell phone every Tuesday that I have new recipes. Now, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt or salt to taste. Finish cooking the vegetables along with the cauliflower for another 3 to 4 minutes or until you see that the cauliflower already looks cooked. My kids never find out that this is not real Mexican primavera rice. I told you, this was easy and really super good. You can have it for breakfast, lunch, or even dinner. Just add a over easy egg on top, or you can just have it next to your fish or beef, meat, whatever poultry you're having. You can also have it like if it was rice. So I hope you enjoy it. This is the perfect way to eat a big portion of veggies. Remember to follow me on Instagram. You can find me as Las Recetas de Laura or Mexican Food by Laura, and I have daily inspiration as well as on my Facebook and TikTok, Mexican Food by Laura. It's a pleasure to be here. Remember to visit my blog, mexicanfoodbylaura.com, where I have many other options for you. Hasta el martes. See you next Tuesday.